Hey guys, I just woke up and thought of making this raw style vlog. So this is as raw as it gets. Can't even speak. But if you guys want, I can make the cinematic way of waking up. Yeah. Do you guys want that? You know what? I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna pretend I'm sleeping. Turn off the light. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna check my weight now. I'm just stuck at 74 for some reason. Well, I know why. I had butter chicken last night. Anyways, today is Sunday and I wanted to make this rest day vlog. So I woke up around 11:30. Right now the time is almost 1, 4 minutes to go. Because I was making this cinematic stuff, for you guys, and I am hungry right now, so let's go eat something. I'll make coffee first. So I feel like having a latte, so I'm gonna brew it in a mocha pot. I forgot to change my grinding settings, so I'll just make a cold brew for tomorrow with this setting. Let's try it again. That should be okay. I use a French press to make cold brew. It's just easier this way. So I have coffee grinds in here and I'm gonna fill it up with water. Just normal water at room temperature. Filtered, of course. This much is okay. I'll cover it and put it in the fridge, and it will be ready when I wake up tomorrow. So for breakfast, I'm gonna have this cake, which I made. This is a protein cake. Very good macros, and am I in focus? Yeah. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna have half of this because this is 2 servings. And coffee is also ready, so I'm gonna make a latte real quick. It is something. One of the Amazon package just got delivered. After reading all this, we'll do just unboxing stuff that I received. This was really good. So since this is a rest day, I have taken 4 projects that I'll take care of today since I'm not going to the gym. So first is unboxing of few packages that I received, not from any company, or I'm not sponsored by anything. Bought these things, and then I'll clean up this desk. It's dirty, you know, needs cleaning. Then I'll do some cable management. I've been delaying doing this for a really long time, but I'm gonna take care of that today because I have to, even though it's boring. And then I think I'll get a haircut today. Okay, so the first package, this is already open because I opened it. This is a package from, you can't see my address, right? So this is from My Protein, and unfortunately the protein bag was damaged and it's open. So I have raised this concern with the team, and they'll get back to me in 4 to 5 working days. So I'm just waiting on that. And by the way, this was my first time ordering from My Protein, and it just, I don't know why it happens to me. It's okay, not blaming anybody. Shipping can damage things, you know. I would have not cared, but this is open. I don't know what elements are inside the bag because protein is all over the box, so can't use it, right? So just waiting for them to reply and see what happens. Now let's open some Amazon stuff. And this is also open. Anyways, I hope everything is inside it. So this is a boom arm, which I'll show you what it does and why I ordered it. Sandbag, which doesn't have sand in it. A boom arm, of course. And the attachment for the boom arm. Let me show you what it can do and why I ordered it. So now with this, I can take top-down shots with ease. So I have used that backpack for the counterweight, and I'm just gonna put the phone here. Here I have a top-down shot. I can increase its height. Now, isn't this perfect? Let's do it. So let's open the next bag. This is from Amazon, and thankfully this is not open. I know what this is. This is vitamin D, vitamin D3, 1000 IU. the next one. I'll need a knife for this one. Okay, so this is my face wash. Okay, what is this? So this is a smart bulb which I will use in a softbox. I can change colors and from cool to warm or RGB, you know. So I'm just gonna use this in a softbox, and I already have two in there which are 9 watts. I always feel like they're under power, so I'm gonna use 12 watt and try this. And I'll take that one out and put it in this lamp. This one is not working. So this is trash. So I can control it with my phone. This is pretty bright, you know, so I can make it warm, decrease its brightness, and of course change color. Let's do red. Perfect. Yeah, this should be fine. We have one more left. This is the last one, so okay, so this is a fake plant, but I really liked it, so I'm gonna put it somewhere on the desk or something. I don't know. So this was the unboxing. One project is done. Now comes two hard ones. One is cleaning the desk, and then cable management. Oh god, it's a mess. But I won't bore you. So this is before. This took longer than I expected. So here's the result. And this is after. I have to take a shower and see if I can get a haircut appointment. If not, then I'll go tomorrow or something after my workout, but let's see. I'm gonna take a shower then decide. Okay, so I didn't get an appointment for my haircut today, but that's a good thing because I didn't eat much today. I just had that protein cake and a protein shake in between. That's about it. So I gotta take care of my meals right now. I'll go for my haircut tomorrow, which I will include in this video. Right now I gotta go eat something. I'll show you what I'm gonna have, and then we'll have a session of Call of Duty. So that will be fun, right? Okay, now let's get some W's. I'm having some almonds. These are 20 grams. Revenge is a beautiful thing. 'Cause I got you, don't wanna show, you're all that I need.
next to me, stuck in my head. When lights go off, you're everything that I could ever want. Your touch so soft. Not looking for no heaven or gold, 'cause I got you. Don't wanna show us off, but you're my
Victory. Homelander, let's go.
but I'm flying so high. I don't even know if I'm coming down. You rock.
Okay, one more game and then I'll go get my dinner. I'm just gonna have chicken and then I'm gonna hit the hay. This was my rest day. I'll show you my haircut tomorrow, okay? So this is my dinner. Cheesy mushroom chicken. Okay, so I just finished my dinner. Now I am just gonna read a book or something and try to sleep. I really hope that I get to sleep today. I don't know what's happening to me. Like, I would sleep fine for 3 days and then 3 days it'll be really messed up. My brain just wouldn't shut up. And if it does, I sleep for like 4 hours and then I wake up and then it's really difficult to go back to sleep. So I don't know, I'm just trying to find a solution for this. When I do, I'll update you guys. Yeah, I'll show you my haircut. So I went pretty short this time with my hair. It's summer, so you know it's really difficult to manage them, especially at the gym. So I think this should be better. I'm just having coffee right now. This is cold brew, just plain. After this, I'll go to the gym. I'm just waiting outside. I may have to sit for 15 minutes after drinking this so that the caffeine kicks in and all that jazz. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I made it quite raw this time, and leave me a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.